All this cheating, walking over, so classy. I'd be happy just to stay this way, spend each day with you. There was a time when I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and let the sun did shine. We started on our way. I recall every moment spent was wasted time, but then I chose to let it on the light. I put it past away. I put it past away. I put it past away. All my life, I will carry you through. All my life, you will shower all the passing days. I will stay with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun did shine. We started on our way. I recall that every moment spent was wasted time, but then I chose to let it all lie. I wouldn't pass my life. I want this all my life. I want this all my life. Want this all my life. Want this all my life. Want this all my life.
100 yan sa aming store. Kaya na bossing nasa loob, bilang po magandang gabi po.
Opo.
Mamaya ba? Mamaya ba? Bukas yung speaker sa loob. Ano ba nakabukas?
Kasama.
Ayun, siyempre nasa taas partner ayun.
Yes.
Naririnig tayo sa taas.
May mga kasabi na nandiyan sa taas. Sabi na rin po kayo mag-request dito sa amin.
Hello po, first shot pa lang kami together with
Opo.
Lizelle.
Yes.
Yan, napakaganda ng akong party ngayong gabi ito. Parang mahirapan ako matulog mamaya pag-uwi ko. Busy sa live ang aking partner sa TikTok. Hello sa ating live. Ilang views na ba tayo, dear partner?
Kaya may 1 million views na.
1 million. Akala ko 1,000 views lang. Kalahin mo naka 1 and views lang. Hello sa ating live. So, by bitlong na.
Down straight and never go away. I should be much too smart for this. You know it's getting better of me sometimes. With you and I collide, I fall into an ocean of you. Pull me out in time to let me drown. Let me down. I say it's all because of you. And here I go, losing my control. I promise
request.
Opo.
Kaya po yung nasa loob, medyo busy-busy na lang. Parang may meeting sila.
May meeting yata sa
Parang
sa
sumasamaya pa yung loob ko sa'yo. Kinalimutan mo na yung pangalan ko.
Ah,
Sabi niya, sinong nuts yun? Ay, sorry. Hello sa live. Yan. Pinapaalam ko na po sa aming live. Kinalimutan niya na po ako.
ay, di na.
Hindi niya po ako na. Kaya, sa mga nandito sa mga taas po, sige baka may mga request kayo dyan, still waiting for your request para makakuha kami ng pang-gasolina.
Opo. Baka sakaling magkaroon kami pag-gas.
Pag-gasolina talaga.
Oo. Napakamahal kasi ng gasolina.
Grabe
ngayon.
pa, nagtubenta na.
Oo.
Ito pag nag-isang daan to, magbibisikleta na lang ako, promise.
Kaya, maglalakad na lang kami. Char. Ayan.
Bibili ako ng ano, yung mga China bike.
Oo.
Magbibisikleta ako nung lari ito hanggang pulubuhangin. This time, another classic song by James Taylor.
Yes.
I've been wandering early and late from the New York City to the Conky, and it don't look like I never stop my wandering. My daddy was an engineer, my brother's way behind. My sister takes around where the baby bumps a jet. And it don't look
You've got
like
mail.
I never stop my wandering. Been in the army, work on the farm, and all you get to show is the muscle in my arms. And it don't look like I never stop my wandering. My mom, she died when I was young. My daddy took to stealing and he got hanged. And it don't look like I never stop my wandering. Snakes in the ocean, it's in the sea. A letter red-headed woman make a fool of me. And it don't look like I never stop my wandering. Well, I've been wandering early and late from the New York City to the Golden Gate. And it don't look like I never stop my wandering. Oh. And it don't look like I never stop my wandering. A song by James Taylor, one of my favorite songs naman. By James Taylor, kilala sa buong mundo.
Yan, maganda yung mga kanta ni James Taylor na yan. Yes, and another song from Shania Twain. Yan mga bossing nga po kami mga request na po tayo dyan, ha? Kung po tayo may yung mag-request, at least 3 to 5 songs po para marami po tayo pagpipilian. Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come. all that gone. We're still together, still we're strong. Still the one I run to, the one I belong to. Still the one I want all life. Still the one that I love, the only one I dreamed of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. I'm so glad you made it. Look how far we've come now, baby.
Yeah, welcome sa aming live. Sila boses, nasa loob and apat na sila kanina pagkala.
Ayan, oo. Dumarami sila ng dumarami. Yan, sana mapuno niyo po yung loob.
Pero po yung nasa taas, sana naririnig kami ng malinaw yung mga bossing. Baka may mga request kayo gustong marinig sa aming dalawa. Together with my partner, important to.
Oo, galing ng tutuban.
Galing ng New York, may kawayan. Ano sa ating live?
Yes, yeah. Shoutout sa mga nanonood sa aking 1 million viewers dyan.
Wow. Pakisa lang yan. Dinawin mo. Hello sa ating live. Send lang po kayo ng gift yan.
Opo.
Wala to. See me now. The voice said you're alone. The voice said she'd rather be alone. If you could only see me now. If I could hold you now. Just for a moment, if I could really make you mine. Just for a while, to back the hands of time. If I could only hold you now. I've been too long in the rain, too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can. first time tinutog ng solo version niya kasi alam ko siya, duet version. Ang original duet. Mamaya mag-duet tayo, ha? Ha?
Sige, go.
Yung i-ready mo yung pinakamataas mo. Nakatulog ako ng maghaba ang tulog ko kanina.
Oo.
Kasi ako alas 4, nabigla ako. Napaligo ako ng liwasang ko.
Ako naman, patulog, napigil. Kasi anong oras na? Naligo na lang.
But this time, person pala po kami, no? Bibigyan kami aming last song. Sana
Opo.
mag-gawin ka na bossing. Sana makasip ko na ng request.
Yes.
Wala pa kaming gasolina.
Opo. Wala pa po kami pang gasolina.
Ayan. Pwede naman na sumusunod sa akin itong partner ko na to. Sa akin. Sa mga request ko. This time, another song by Okay Kasi.
Another song
Kasi
by
meron
Rocky.
nirepay to ni Rob, yung segue ng ikaw saan ang tayo nandito.
Oo.
Mamaya kung tayo saan yung nandito ako solo
Sige,
version.
go.
Ayan. Dati, kaya gusto ko itong partner na to si Vincent talaga. Walang inaakrasan to, puro oo na lang ito. Alam sa ating live, hello.
Ayan. Yes, this will be our last song for our first set and stop this on its second set. Sa buhay natin, mayroong isang mamahalin, sasambahin. Sa buhay natin, mayroong isang bukod tanging sa lahat at ibigin ng tapat, kundi sa di sinasadyang pagkakataon at para maligay lalaro ng panahon. May ibang makikilala at sa unang pagkikita may tunay na pag-ibig na padarama. Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala na ako'y malaya pa at hindi ngayon ang puso ko'y may kapiling na? Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala na ako'y ikaw sana. Sing a song, tune that song for our first time. Pag-misa kayo for our second time.
Ayan, matitig mamaya yung aming inistal dito sa amin.
Oo, ayan.
Parang makakain to. Kami tilang to.
Oo.
Stand by sa ating set, we'll be right back. Sa ating TikTok. TikTok ba yun?
Live, FB Live.
FB Live, yes, sa ating FB Live. Ilang views?
1 million views.
views. Isa lang yan. Isa lang yan, tapos friends mo pa.
Oo.
Hello. Tadi nunggu sekali ya, nasa taas.